Guys. Frick! Frick! No! Oh yeah, the door won't fully close. I'm with you, don't worry. Don't worry, I'm the camera guy. My name's Camera Guy. Okay. I took it out! I took a bullet to my shoulder! No! Kill the cameraman! No! Don't kill the cameraman! Hey, stop doing it! Seriously, no! Hey, it worked! It's just going to load it! Oh no! Just bring my modded airsoft. Die! Everyone kill the people that are attacking the cameraman! Pikachu! Ow! The balls? I was gonna take the Pikachu's butt! No! This is bullets, I know what. I have the ultimate weapon, a Pikachu! No! I think I do! I have the ultimate weapon! Drop your weapons if you don't want to get hit with a baseball bat! Oh god, lock the door. Baseball range! Lock the door. Lock the doors. Barricade the doors and This is freaking GTA all over again. I'm sticking people up with a baseball bat. GTA 5, man. GTA 5. Hey! They can't get in. Don't touch me. I need a sword. Don't drop that gun to that baseball bat. Don't drop that gun to that. Don't drop that gun to that. I'm just gonna call this video vlog number 2. Just kind of hiding in a room. Yes. Room service. And if you touch us, we'll hit you with a baseball bat. Don't drop that gun to that. Oh my God. I want my pickaxe back. Give me one. You already did. I killed you. I'm dead already. Don't kill the camera guy. Don't kill him. Oh. I'm the camera guy. I'm spectating everything. Oh God. Don't drop that. Don't drop it. Okay. I'm just a ghost. You don't see me. Woo. Barricade the door. Wait a minute. I'm a ghost. Not me. Way to get it out, ghost. I am just a ghost. I know a plan, guys. Oh yeah, here's Andy Newman right here. On our way out. Fellow YouTuber of everybody else. It's Andy Newman. Andy Newman. Hey. What is going on? I'm on our way out. It doesn't work. Guys, calm down. Calm down. Sacrifice. Guys, I can get us out of this situation. Open the door! Get in! Johnny is on our team! You gotta get on our team. Come on, let's go! No! Why are you killing me? Let's shoot the cameraman. Everybody loves shooting. You get in here, hurry! Go off the team! Ouch. I hit him like... Okay, guys. Lock the door. Being in a little closet, you guys can't see crap in here. Duke, help me! Okay. There's nobody in here! Quiet. Guys, it's kind of dark in here. Okay. No, don't drop that gun to that! No, stop killing that camera guy! Guys, why don't we play a game called Don't Kill the Camera Guy? Everybody kill the camera guy! I killed him! Okay. Guys, no slamming doors. Okay. So guys, look at this army we have. I call taking the tiny little pistol. Pink pistol? Well guys, this is the second vlog, so bye. Yeah.